Once again, good morning. Today we are in Nassau. I'm about to pull in, so I'm gonna go record that. This will be like my 5th time in Nassau, so I'm probably just gonna walk around the port or something. I have no idea what we're gonna do other than that. For some reason, they got the pool netted off, but they have towel animals in every single chair down here. Go back to the room, see if my brother and my mom are awake, and we're gonna go eat breakfast. We're probably gonna be one of the last people to get off the ship just so there's less people at port. We're just gonna walk around a little bit, go to some shops. I don't know, we've been here so many times, pretty much done everything.
Cathy, kasi yung sales sign card niya na pulot lang sa labas pero ano.
Okay, so sailaway is in about 30 minutes. I figured I'd get here a little bit early because last time the sailaway happened, it happened earlier than expected. I wasn't quite ready. So I'm here at the golf course and the big Carnival funnels right here, and the water slides are over here. So I'm probably just gonna record that, and we're gonna go to the buffet for dinner. And there's supposed to be some show tonight. There's no comedy, which is kind of sad. There is, but it's for 18 and older. So yeah, sailaway videos are on my channel, or they're gonna be either before this video or after this video. So those there, so yeah. Alright, so I just got back to the cabin after the sailaway. It ended up being a really good video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm the only one in this cabin right now, so I figured now would be a good time to do a room tour. Now, last November, I went on the Celebrity Edge, and for the 4 of us, it costed over like $4.5 grand. We're not trying to flex or anything. So we went with the inside room this time. It's a really cheap cruise. That's why we went with Carnival. Okay, so here's the front door. I don't know why every room starts with this, but it's literally just a front door. And you have a safe, life jackets, and some storage down there. You have more closets here. I'm not going to show you that one because it's the same thing. And here is the bathroom. There's stuff everywhere. I apologize. Now there's a blue sink and a blue floor, which I don't know why Carnival did this, but it shows like the age. This is actually a very big shower. Like you can, if you're probably like 6.5 feet, you can still stand up in there. You can still stand up in there. And okay, so we went with 2 twin beds, and these this bed and this bed goes down. My brother's using this bed. I'm using this bed. My mom's using that bed. And there's a very old TV, and there's just a bunch of desks. There's a refrigerator, which we have, which we have full of drinks here. I'll clean it up in a second. More storage and more storage. Yeah, so I forgot to record an outro for this video, but that's going to be it for this one. I have another video of leaving Nassau, and then I have a vlog of the final day at sea, and then the actual final day. So yeah, that's going to be it for this one. See you in the next one. Goodbye.